Don't do this. I have a notebook here where I'm importing pandas and numpy, and I'm going to take advantage of the fact that this pandas.series method can convert my dictionary to a data series. And when I run these two cells, I get this output here. Now, let's say I want to find the max values of this values column, but first I want to drop the missing values. So I can easily run data.dropInA and get this output here. And then if I want to, I can chain the method max to get the maximum value there, which is equal to 6. Now, in this example, there's an inplace argument that is by default set to false. And if I keep this as false, you see that we have no issues. However, if I set this to true, we now get this attribute error that the none type object has no attribute max. Now this, again, is just because of that inconsistency in the Pandas API that can cause you significant issues and a lot of headaches. And despite this, the inplace argument isn't necessarily a significant advantage for your processing. And so this is not the only case where this could cause you some issues. So let's add some more to this chaining. Let's say we wanted to reset the index and we have this inplace argument, again, that's set equal to false by default. And then I want to take my index column that is now generated and return the min value there. Again, classic method chaining. This is a huge benefit of pandas, but let's now set the inplace argument equal to true. And now I get a different error, a type error, and it says it cannot reset index in place on a series to create a data frame. And in reality, this seems somewhat inconsistent. It seems like we should be able to perform this method chaining, but because of this inplace argument, it can cause us significant issues and hinder our ability to do our data analysis, especially if you're a beginner. So in general, I would say don't use the inplace argument. There aren't many benefits to it. You can generate new variables. You can do other things to control the memory if that's important. But if you want more hints, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Subscribe.